Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today's project was inspired by the Star Wars Dollar Store Challenge put out by Dave over at Whitey's Wicked Workshop on YouTube. A link to his channel will be in the description box, as well as a link to the challenge Facebook group where you can find all the rules for the challenge. This video is a build process for my sculpted Star Wars Worrt creature. This Monday, April 18th, 2022, I'll be a guest on the FabWorks YouTube channel live show with hosts Ado Morin and Dave White. If you like Star Wars or making things, come check it out and chat with us. 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central Time. A link to the show will be in the description box. Go click on it and set a reminder to watch. And now let's get on with the show. I started this build with a roll of tin foil and just kind of mashed it up and tried to make a crude figure of the base shapes of the Worrt. Then I kind of filled it out as much as I could because I didn't want to use a lot of clay to make this because we do have a $15 limit. So I kind of had to make my clay last. So I just used some wire and some tin foil that I already had on hand and just ended up just covering the whole thing with Sculpey clay. Give him some lips. And I fashioned a ball of tin foil that's going to end up being a rock that I will cover with some more clay. And then the wire armature for the fingers, I added some more tin foil around them just to kind of bulk out the fingers and make them a little more sturdy and easy for the clay to stick to. So most of the rest of the process is kind of self-explanatory. So I'm just going to speed this up and let you see the whole process. It's really just adding a little more clay and smoothing the edges to make it look all cohesive. And just adding more clay until I got to the point where I thought, it looked like a Worrt. Adding as many details as I could without spending, a year making more details. But I'll just let you guys watch and, yeah. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. And if you would like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, or if you're feeling really generous, you can purchase something off of my wish list, which you can find in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. It's been a blast. I will see you guys in the next video.